In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate and convert it to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Let's start by finding the estimate you want to turn into an invoice. In QuickBooks Online, go to your customers or sales area, depending on your layout. From there, look for the Estimates section. You might see this as an Estimates tab or as an Estimates button on the Customers page. Click into that, and you'll see a list of all the estimates you've created. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct one by checking the customer name, the date, and the total amount. Once you've located the right estimate, look over to the Action column on that same line. In the current layout, you should see an option that says Convert to Invoice. Go ahead and click that. If you're using the older layout of QuickBooks Online, you may need to click Edit on the estimate first, and then choose Create Invoice from inside the estimate. Either way, the goal is the same. You're telling QuickBooks to use this estimate as the basis for a new invoice. If you have Progress Invoicing turned on, you'll now be asked how much you want to invoice. This is really useful if you bill in stages, such as taking a deposit, billing at milestones, or invoicing the remaining balance at the end. You can choose to invoice the remaining total, a specific percentage of the estimate, or a custom amount for each line. Take your time here and make sure the amounts match your agreement with the customer. Next, you'll see the invoice form that QuickBooks has created from your estimate. Review everything carefully. Check the quantities, rates, and product or service details. Make sure the description clearly explains what you're billing for, and verify the invoice date, terms, and due date. This is also a good moment to add any notes that will help your customer understand the charges, like a brief summary of the work completed or what stage of the project this invoice covers. When you're happy with how the invoice looks, you have a couple of options. If you're ready to send it to your customer right away, select Save and Send. QuickBooks will open an email preview so you can adjust the message before it goes out. If you're not ready to send it yet and just want to save your progress, choose Save and Close. The invoice will now be recorded in QuickBooks and linked to the original estimate.